The era of fear and bias against me by Justice Nyako is over. Nnamdi Kanu dropped explosive statement, refused to be released. In fact, this is now a fight between Nnamdi Kanu and Justice Nyako, no longer the federal government. But just that Justice Nyako is representing the the uh, himself, yes, not the federal government any longer, because all of her actions is pointing on the fact that she is trying to help herself, not the federal government. My dear listeners, I appreciate every one of you there listening to us. You are all welcome to today's news as dated. The IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu has on Monday proved before the court that Justice Nyako has been working to help herself and her family out of prison instead of doing the needful as stated by the law. The IPOP leader who defended himself, pleading to his lawyers to step down as he take over the trial. Nnamdi Kanu, who has been in detention, has argued that it is both unlawful and unconstitutional for the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court in Abuja to reassign his case to a judge who is not willing to carry out the needful, instead defending herself to help her husband and the son out of prison. What does the law say? The law says defend the the truth, and the truth will set you free. Justice Justice Nyako has been defending the wrong and has not been speaking the truth. Furthermore, Nnamdi Kanu has also claimed that Justice Nyako has been doing things to satisfy her own personal needs. He affirmed his readiness to continue with his legal trial, provided that it adheres strictly to the principles of justice and the rule of law. I'll be ready to respond to any call of justice if only Justice Nyako will be ready to do the needful and surrender herself to the truth. He expressed confidence that the era of systemic bias, fear against him in Abuja, and the judicial system had ended. Kanu made it clear that he would challenge any court that deviates from legal principles and failed to uphold impartiality in its ruling. He dared Justice Nyako to continue with her fake ruling, as he will continue to recuse her from his trial. Man, see, let me tell you, my dear listener, it is good to know the law. Very, very, very good to know the law. Because if you know the law, they will hardly, defeat you. They will hardly defeat you. They will hardly cut cut you down. It is very, very good to know the law. And that is what has been helping Nnamdi Kanu, if you ask me. That has been helping him. That has been assisting him. And that has been doing him all good. If not, Justice Nyako would have succeeded. She would have succeeded, in doing what she is doing. I want to congratulate and the IPOP leader for this very action, because if not for his braveness, Justice Nyako would have succeeded in throwing him into jail. Yes, she would have succeeded. But God did not allow such to happen. So it calls for readiness, and it calls for sincerity. It calls for sincerity. So I want to say, my dear listeners, that your opinion on this are 100%, needed, and and your ideas on what you equally think about this are also important. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.